the output of NAND gate is shown in the truth table where A and B are the inputs and Y is the output. See here, you are given the truth table, 4 different truth tables are given to you and you have to identify which of the truth table is a truth table for NAND gate. So we know what is the output of NAND gate. Output of, if the inputs of NAND gates are A and that of B, then the output of NAND gate Y is equal to A dot B whole complement, and when both A and B they are 1, then only it becomes complement of 1. 1 into 1 is 1 and complement of 1 is 0. If any one of the input of NAND gate is 0, suppose A is 0, B is 1, or A is 1, B is 0, or A is 0 and B is 0. In all the 3 cases, here product of 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is what? 0, and their complement means output of NAND gate, it becomes equal to 1. So remember, NAND gate is that logic gate whose output is 0 only when all of its inputs are 1. So out of this 4 option, see here option, this 4th table, when both the inputs are 1 and 1, then output is 0. And for remaining cases, output is 1. So out of 4 table, this table S will represent the truth table for NAND gate, means which option is correct? Option D, that is table S, will gives us the correct truth table for NAND gate.